Okay, it's still looking pretty rainy, but it stopped raining for a minute, so I went ahead and did this. Okay, I'm going to turn it on real quick. See, it's all digital. Hour mileage at 163 hours, 723 miles. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Hold this. Take it for a quick ride. Okay, doesn't have a problem with 4-wheel drive. You switch in 4-wheel drive. Takes a second. You can kind of see where it says 2-wheel drive on there. And all you gotta do is move a little bit, and there. Now it's in 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive works. Super powerful. I really want that boat, man. Let me know if you're down.